Hello everyone, welcome to IIT. This is Aditya. For the UBA LPU interview, LPT, that is Language Proficiency Test, will be conducted for whom and who will be exempted from it. उसके बारे में detail information provide करेंगे, क्या dates होने वाले हैं, and what type of pattern you will be able to see in the LPT, उसके बारे में भी detail में बात करेंगे. Before that, one important information, guys, are UBA LPU interview batch is already live on the Guidely platform. You can check the details, join it today itself and start your preparation properly. चलिए बात कर लेते हैं LPT का. तो 2 times UBI have given the confirmation that the people those who have completed or had one of the subject regional language in the class 10th or class 12th, they will not be going for the LPT. मैं फिर से define कर दूं, फिर से repeat कर दूं कि यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने 2 बार डिफाइन किया है. दिस वाज इन द नोटिफिकेशन, इट वाज देयर इन द नोटिफिकेशन. हाउएवर द कैंडिडेट हु प्रोड्यूस क्लास 10th और क्लास 12th स्टैंडर्ड मार्कशीट सर्टिफिकेट evidencing having studied specific local language. So for example, you applied from Karnataka and you have Kannada as a subject either in class 10th or in class 12th and you have applied in Karnataka only, then you are not required to go for LPT. Same, you are from Andhra Pradesh and you have Telugu as a subject either in class 10th or class 12th, so you are not required to go for LPT. उस केस में आपको LPT के लिए नहीं जाना है. But you are from Karnataka, your domicile is from Karnataka, but you do not have, because you maybe have studied in CBSE or in ICS, in some other board where you did not have class 10th or class 12th as a Kannada as a regional subject or as a one of the main subject. In that case, you need to go for LPT. Or if you have applied in some other state, then also you need to go for LPT, language proficiency test. So in the recent result document also they have defined it that document verification will be conducted by the bank. I have already made the video on the list of document verification, what are the document required. You can check it in the same playlist. इसी playlist में आपको मिल जाएगा, check कर लीजिएगा. Already I have made a detailed video on the document verification. Second, language proficiency test will be conducted only for the people those who have not studied specified local language applied in the state as one of the subject either in class 10th or class 12. सिर्फ उन्हीं का conduct किया जाएगा. LPT and document verification will be conducted from 17th of March to 21st of March. Call letters will be uploaded on the bank website shortly. तो जल्दी आपके call letters आ जाएंगे for the document verification and LPT. Interview call letters will be announced individually. Mostly chances ये है कि जैसे SBI do same thing. SBI conduct your I'm not getting that. SBI also, SBI PO, before your SBI PO, GD, GE and PI, SBI conduct psychometric test. Yes, psychometric test in advance. So they do the psychometric test 3 to 4 days before, and after that SBI PO, GD, GE and PI get conducted. Similarly, they are also going to do the LPD in advance. After LPD, 2-3 days only, you can expect that interviews will be started. So if I'll say that interviews may be started from either 21st or 22nd, तो wrong नहीं होगा. 22nd से आप expect कर सकते हो कि आपके interviews start हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. So all the best guys, all the best for your interview. And this is the detail of our UBA LPU interview batch. You will be able to attend everything which is required for the preparation of UBA LPU interview within the batch. Content is available, classes are there. You can start attending the classes from now onwards. Batch price is very low, 1231 rupee after discount, and you will be able to attend 2 mock interview in the batch. So join the batch today and start your preparation immediately. All the best.